Welcome to my daily English learning. You can improve your listening and speaking skills through this video.
What is your name?
My name is Alexander Jameson, but most people call me Alex. I was named after my grandfather, who was a prominent figure in our family.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old. I was born on April 15, 1996. It seems like a few days ago I was celebrating my 21st birthday, but now I'm already nearing my 30s.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York City. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, which provided me with the city's best education, diverse culture, and recreational resources.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer, working at a tech startup in Manhattan. I specialize in creating mobile applications that enhance user experience through innovative design and functionality.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother named Jack. He is a graphic designer. We share a lot with each other. We grew up playing together even though we had sibling rivalry. He was always a supportive and caring brother.
When do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I find that waking up early helps me finish homework faster before diving into office work.
How do you commute to work?
I travel by subway. The subway is the easiest way to get around New York City. This gives me some time to read or listen to podcasts during the ride.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have oatmeal with fresh fruit and a cup of coffee for breakfast. It keeps me healthy and full until lunchtime.
What is your evening routine?
My evening routine consists of eating dinner, exercising a bit, and then falling asleep with a book or TV show. I review my tasks for the next day and set necessary reminders.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I enjoy running and strength training exercises. It helps me to feel good in my mind and body after a long day of work.
What is your favorite way to relax?
My favorite way to relax is listening to music or playing the guitar. Music has always been a great stress reliever for me. It helps me calm down and feel at peace.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It reminds me of the ocean and the sky, both of which have a calming and soothing effect on me. I often incorporate blue into my home decor and wardrobe because it makes me feel relaxed and peaceful.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. I love different flavors and fresh ingredients. Sushi not only tastes great but also offers a healthy and light meal option. My favorite types of sushi are salmon nigiri and spicy tuna rolls.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar. I started learning at the age of 12 and have been playing the guitar ever since. It's a great way for me to express myself creatively. I often practice for hours and hours to try to perfect my playing technique.
What language do you speak?
I can speak English and Spanish fluently. I started learning Spanish at school. I continue to improve my speaking skills by traveling and practicing with native speakers. Being bilingual has been incredibly beneficial to me both personally and professionally.
Are you married?
No, I am not married. I am currently in a committed relationship with my partner Daniel, and we are very happy to have each other. We are considering marriage in the future. But for now, we're enjoying our time together and focusing on our careers and personal growth.
What do others in your family do?
My father is a high school history teacher, and my mother is a nurse who works at a local hospital. They are always dedicated to their profession and instilled in me the values of hard work and compassion. My brother, as mentioned earlier, is a graphic designer.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My parents, my brother and me. We are a very close family and we often get together for holidays and special occasions.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. He is a playful and affectionate Siamese cat who loves to cuddle and explore the room. My cat has added so much joy and companionship to my life.
How long have you known your best friend?
I have known my best friend Jack for 15 years. We've known each other since middle school and have been inseparable ever since. We shared countless memories and supported each other through all the ups and downs of our lives.
What do you like to do with your family?
With my family, I enjoy going on road trips and watching movies at night. We often choose places to travel that allow us to explore nature, such as national parks. At night at home, we watch our favorite movies together and enjoy homemade food.
What values are important in your family?
Honesty, respect, and kindness are the most important values in my family. We believe in being honest and transparent with each other, respecting each other's opinions, and always being supportive.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science in college. I have always been fascinated by technology and how it can solve real-world problems. My coursework and projects have helped me build a strong foundation in programming, algorithms, and software development.
What was your first job?
My first job was as a barista at a local coffee shop during high school. It taught me valuable lessons about customer service, time management, and teamwork. Also, I learned how to make a great coffee, a skill I still use today.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a game developer. I have always been passionate about video games and I want to create immersive and engaging experiences for players. Combining my skills in programming with my love of storytelling will be incredibly fulfilling.
You're welcome. It's been great chatting with you.
Likewise, I had a wonderful chat.
Me too. Looking forward to our next meetup.
Same here. Have a great day. Bye.